that is the reason. So, okay. Hey, hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain you talent tasks and or talent jobs. So why I'm doing this session is something like so many people are don't know how to do all these real time scenarios while if they are beginners. So that is the reason. So today my task is something like this is the task which I am going to do today, like extract the delimited file from a local source and sort it by using the two conditions, two or one conditions, and print them in my local console file if possible in a table format. So what are the requirements for this task is task or a job, we'll call it as a job also. So what are the requirements for this job is a Talend Open Studio for the data integration. It's a basic simple job. Another one is the CSV file, which we like uh, source. It is called as a source. Like uh, this is the delimited file. Okay, fine. Coming to our task, like this is the Talend Open Studio for the data integration. In the latter session, I'll explain you what is the repository and what is the outline and what is the designer view and what is the palette and what palette contains and what job view contains and what context is this area contains and what components sessions and how we are running the jobs. Okay, fine. In this repository, how we are going to design the job. Okay, what are the what are the things we require for the enter the task? I'll explain you one by one. Okay. First, you're supposed to create a job like the job sorting delimited. Okay, the purpose is sorting file. Second one also. What are the things you supposed to maintain while you're creating the job? You should maintain a purpose and descriptions and all those things. You should habituated all those things. Sorting, delimited file, and print print it in console. Okay, fine. Just click on the finish. Now, the entire designer view enables and all the components which are available in the palette will be enabled. So, in order to, what is our task? We'll go for the task like extract delimited file from the local source and sort it. Okay, fine. So, in order to acquire something like, in order to like capture that delimited file, we require input file, input component. Later on, I'll explain something like what are the components and all those things. So first, we require input file, T file input delimited. You just type here like T file input delimited, or you can search here T file T capital file input. You can search here and something like and drag and drop. For this, I have recently used T file input delimited and I'm just dragging here. Okay. So similarly, you can drag and drop all the components which you require. The okay, the first one is if you want this, then here the job like job all the details like for this enter the component, what are the components, all those things are enabled, and contacts and components related things all are available here. Now what I'm going to do is something like I'm just editing the schema. So here I'm just open what are the ID, first name, last name, age, and US state ID. I'm just copying each and everything. ID, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think mostly ID, one ID, where is, okay, fine. ID is not a string, it's an integer, and the second one is first name. Okay. The third one is, it's a very tricky process. If you use the metadata, then it is very easy. So this is the first session. That is the reason I'm using this schema like manually. Later, on, mostly you people supposed to use like uh, metadata. Metadata is very useful to us. Automatically, it captures the schema from the source. Okay, fine. The first name is also a string, last name is also a string, and the age is like integer. US state ID is also integer. Fine. Where is that integer? Okay, fine. Click on OK button. So just click this one and click this edit schema. Okay, fine. Integer. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now again click this and okay. Select the file. Where is the file? Talent projects, Excel files, inputs. Where is that? Okay, where is one dot? One dot CSV. Okay, the next one is T start row. Fine. Okay, this component T start row requires at least one external jar is required. Just install it and install. As of now, I didn't use the T start row. That is the reason mostly if you drag and drop any new components, it will ask you some jar files. Another one is tlog row. Okay, tlog row. Okay, on this you just this is the main. You this one. This is the main. You this one. Okay, fine. You already the input file is already there. Now T sort row sync call. Just check ID first name last name. Just sync. Okay, already sync. Okay, first. Okay, first last name by use the last name. The conditions now in the T sort row is supposed to the second one is something like and sort it by using the two conditions. Okay. uh, Two conditions means I'm applying sort on two like first name and last name. First, like I use the last name, and the sort is sort number alpha order ascending order. And the second one is like uh, first name number alpha, check with alpha ascending. Now, okay, T log row. Select the T log row and click on the components. Okay, basic, print with content log row, basic. If you select field separator, table. Okay, fine. Almost we did it. I think, I hope no issues while running this job. I hope that something like no issues will found. Just I'm clearing everyone and running this one, starting virtual machine. Oh, could not pass the value ID in row one. What happened? Okay, fine. Let's figure out this issue. Couldn't pass the value from the column ID in row three. Row one. Okay, just check again. Just click this one. Click on the component. Okay. Let's check how our CSV, just check with the field separator is comma separated or this separated. Let me check again. Okay, just save it. And again, I'm clearing this one and again I'm running this one. Yes, fine. So only the CSV, like while like running this job before going to capture the data, something like just check whether the CSV delimited file is a comma separated or semicolon separated. Actually, my source is something like it's completely comma separated. Comma separated. I missed it. So I'm not missed it actually. I just want to show one error and I like if it is something like you supposed to check the thing, something like is that a field separate like a comma separated or semicolon separated. Okay, so this is the job. After running this job, you are getting something like all these things. Like uh, firstly, the last name is something like B. Next one D G H. All are first sorted, and after that something like this. These are also sorted like 120. Like clearly, you checked it something like all are in a sorted order. That's the thing. We'll catch up with another video. Okay, fine. Thank you.